Imagine you're looking through a jar of old coins. You find a 1937 buffalo nickel. It looks great. It's a classic. But then you look at the buffalo on the back. Something's wrong. It's missing its front leg. To most people, it's a broken coin, a mistake. But in the world of high-stakes coin collecting, that missing leg makes it one of the most famous legendary errors in American history. I'm Dave, and today, on the Diggin Dave, we're uncovering the story of the 1937 D three-legged buffalo nickel, a coin born from a mistake worth thousands today. It's 1937 at the Denver Mint. Production is in high gear. Now, for those who don't know, coins are made using dies, basically giant metal stamps. But these stamps get worn down. One day, a pressman named Mr. Young noticed that a particular reverse die was showing clash marks. Basically, it was getting scratched up. Instead of replacing it, he tried to fix it by polishing it down. He got a bit too aggressive. He polished the die so much that he literally erased the buffalo's front right leg from the stamp. He put the die back in, the machine started cranking, and thousands of these three-legged nickels were struck before anyone noticed. By the time they caught it, most of them were already out in the wild. Now here's what makes this coin special. Most errors are caught immediately and melted down, but this one, it slipped through. Collectors went into a frenzy in the late 30s trying to find them. But here's the kicker for all you hunters out there, you have to be careful. Because this coin became so valuable, people started filing off the legs of normal nickels to fake it. But the real deal has telltale signs. On a genuine three-legger, you'll see what we call die erosions. Looks like little streams of metal or peppering under the buffalo. Plus, the back leg looks like it's bleeding into the ground. If the leg looks like it was just sanded off smoothly, it's a fake. So what's a missing leg worth? Well, it depends on the condition. Even a heavily circulated, beat-up 1937 D three-legger can easily fetch $500 to $800. But if you find one in mint state, meaning it looks like it just rolled off the press, you're looking at serious money. We're talking $5,000, $20,000, and for the highest grades, they've sold at auction for over $100,000. Not bad for a 5-cent piece, right? Right? The 1937 D three-legged buffalo is proof that sometimes a mistake is the best thing that can happen. It's a piece of history you can actually hold in your hand. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Do you have any buffalo nickels in your collection? Go grab a magnifying glass and check that front leg. You might be surprised. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Diggin Dave for more coin mysteries. Keep digging, everyone.